Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall Linux, Ubuntu from a UEFI dual boot Windows and Ubuntu. Type system information in Windows search bar. Click System Information. My system BIOS version is UEFI. Type Disk Management in Windows search bar. Click Create and format hard disk partition. Delete Ubuntu partition. Click Yes to continue. Ubuntu partition successfully deleted. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type disk part. List space disk. Select space disk space 0. List space partition. System partition is 2. Select space partition space 2. Assign space letter equal to X. Type exit, exit from disk part. Type xcolan to enter X drive. dir cd space EFI. Type dir to list directory. Remove Ubuntu directory. Type rd space Ubuntu space /s. Type Y to confirm delete Ubuntu folder. Type exit, exit from command prompt. Restart Windows. Ubuntu successfully removed from dual boot system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.